In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the import manager for bulk images in Artistly AI quickly and efficiently. First, it's important to know that the import manager in Artistly AI is actually called the media library. This is where all your uploaded images, graphics, and assets are stored and organized. To get started, open your project inside Artistly AI and navigate to the media library section in the editor. Next, click the Upload button and select multiple images from your computer. You can bulk upload several files at once, making it much faster than importing images individually. Once the upload is complete, all your images will appear inside the media library, where you can easily browse and manage your assets for current or future projects. You can also organize your files, quickly search for images, and reuse uploaded content whenever needed, which is especially useful for large design projects or content creation workflows. To use an image in your design, simply drag and drop it from the media library directly onto your canvas. And that's it. That's how you use the import manager, also known as the media library, for bulk image uploads in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.